to Lightning Storm 23. Today we are playing Monster Truck Curfew, and this is our second episode of Let's Fail. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I'm getting stuck at this game so much. Yes. Oh gosh. I'm stuck at this game. I'm gonna fail at this game. Are you kidding? Oh, you're not even. I suck at this so much. I used to be really good at this when I was like 8. This was my favorite game when I was 8, actually. And now I suck at it. So if you don't know what Let's Fail is, it's where I'm really bad at a game, but I'm actually kind of trying. And yes, I actually do try. This is level 1, and I can't get past it. I am like really good at this. Yes. I haven't played this since I was 8. Yes, let's go. Oh gosh. There's so many cars on the road. There you go, I actually squashed him. That van! That stupid van is so annoying. I can't do this! Now the first Let's Fail, I had no audio. Sorry about that. So, yeah. Yes! Oh yes! Finally! Finally. Ooh, Granny. I don't know why I was going backwards. Whoops. I hit her. Has she made it across yet? She probably has by now. Yes. 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 Oh, that was much easier. That was much easier. That was heaps easier. Oh gosh, I hate police. You can't squash them or they'll kill you. It's actually quite annoying. So was that van. I wonder how many people I've actually killed. Oh, it wasn't my fault you had your sirens on. You're not even in an emergency, yet you have your sirens. That is just stupid. Oh gosh, did you see that guy there? Yes. Ha ha, police. Yes! He didn't have his sirens on, I thought he did. Yes. Oh no, I used to be really bad at this level. Yes. Oh. Oh gosh. That was just good. Oh yes! Yes! That is something I'm really good at. I was doing backflips. Yes, if you can do it more than once, it's not luck. But I can't get over this. Backflips are awesome. This guy's got to be dead. Like, he keeps smashing his head on the windscreen. It's funny. Yes. Ow. Oh, there's bin. Come on. I want to squash some cars. Ah, there's no checkpoints in these. Unlike Dune Buggy, it's not fair. Alright, from now on in this series you can comment on what game you struggle on, and I'll see if I can beat you. or fail at it. So if you know a game that's really hard, that's a browser game. It can't be like a download because I don't really want to download things. So yeah, if you know a browser game that's actually quite hard and you're not that good at it, just comment it down, or otherwise I will pick my own. So yeah, hope you like the series. I've got lots of series running at the moment. Yeah. Yes. Yes, I made it. Did I make it? I made it! Oh. I want to see that police car. Haha. There you go. Did that police... Oh, yes. This is a really fun game. I don't know how, though. Oh, did he turn... Oh, he turned his sirens off. I finished again. These levels are getting easier and easier, not harder and harder. Oh, well, I was trying to show off. Oh, it's this one. I remember this one. They've got trucks. And I can just stay here. No, I can't. There we go. Nah, screw this. I could take the easy way or the fun way. Because I'm an idiot, which is the fun way. Whoa. You can't squash these trucks. I could stay there if I want, but I don't like it. These trucks are fun. Yes! Is there a police around? There's got to be police around. Because I can see. Oh, there's a red light. No, there's not. It'd be funny if a truck just comes out, then I land on it. That'd be funny. There's a dairy. Okay, now that I know there are two police. Yes, yes, I hate these trucks. They are so annoying. Yeah, there goes the police. 3 police. There's too many police on the roads today. I have no idea how I'm not arrested. Especially there. Yes, come on. Oh my god, that was a glitch. That was a glitch. I did not even hit that truck. What? Oh, no wonder why this is in my Let's Fail series. I used to be good at this when I was 8, but I've said that like a billion times. Why can't I get over this guy? I don't like this game. There's a walkthrough button, but I want this to be on my Let's Fail series, so yeah. Where is that car? Let me beat you. Let me go on top of you. Yes! Yes! And yes! Aww! Damn it, I'm so bad at this. It's not fair. This guy has got to be dead soon. I mean, just look at the shadow in the windows. Well, you can't now. Yes, perfect, 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 perfect. Yes! Oh gosh, now I'm stuck with these monsters. Ah! I'm so bad at this. I have to get over him all over again. Oh, that was a close one. That was a close one. Okay. Alright, that was really highly inappropriate. Yes. Yes. Ah! Can you see why why this is in the fail list? Yes, you can? Yes. That's what I thought. Okay, guys, just one more go, then I'll have to wrap it up because I have to go to school. Yeah, I did say school. Alright, just one more fail. Only 20 stars. Oh gosh, that guy was lucky. Okay, guys, I'll wrap it up. If you like this series, yeah, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you find a game hard, just suggest it. And yeah, see ya.